guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for being here and joining me once again for my second CVS haul video. I posted a deals video yesterday which has more deals in them than this one. If you didn't see that video and you would like to check it out, I'm sure you will find one or two deals in there that you can add to the ones that you find in this video. And if this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for joining us and I hope you subscribe, like, comment and share this video, and let's go grab some deals. The first deal I have here is on raw sugar products. They're on the deal of spend 15 get $5 extra care box back and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the raw sugar body wash. They are priced at $7.99 each. The 2 body wash will total $15.98. I currently don't have any coupon for this body wash, but if you have a percentage of CRT or next purchase CRT, you can add this deal to it. The only thing I have that I can add to this deal is a 2 of 15 body wash CRT that I received, which will drop it down to $13.98 and I'll get $5 extra care box back. Check your Ibotta because it's giving back $1.50 on each. That's a total of $3 and that will end up making these 2 body washes just $5.94 or $2.97 each. The next deal I'm picking up will be on Revlon Cosmetics. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $5 extra care box back and it's a limit of 1. I'm going to pick up 2 of the Revlon Kiss Balms priced at $6.79 each. Both will total $13.58. Everybody received a $5 instant CRT that can work on Revlon or Almay depending on which one you like, but I'm using mine on Revlon. And I also have 2 $4 off Revlon makeup CRT that will add to this deal. The 3 CRTs are going to total $13, which will drop it down to just 58 cents and I'll get $5 back, making these 2 products free and a $4.42 money maker. The next deal I'll add before I check out will be the uikisms deal. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2 you get $2 extra care box back. I'm going to pick 2 of the 16 count liners priced at $1.89. That means the second one will be 95 cents. 2 of them are going to total $2.84. Check your app because we have a $1 digital coupon that will apply to this and drop it down to $1.84 and I'll get $2 extra care box back. And that will make both products free and 16 cents money maker. Let's go over my receipt and see how everything worked out. I picked up 6 products, that's 3 deals in this transaction. And the uikisms coupon came off and all the Revlon CRTs are applied. The $5 everybody received today and the 2 $4 CRTs I have. The 2 of 15 bath, hand and body CRT came off. That's for the raw sugar. I used $15 extra care box to pay for this. Paid just $1.39 plus tax out of pocket. And I got back $5 extra care box for the raw sugar deal and $2 extra care box for the uikisms deal and another $5 extra care box for the Revlon deal. And I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and I got back $1.50 for each raw sugar, a total of $3. After the extra care box and the reward from Ibotta, this transaction ended up costing me just $1.40 or 23 cents per item. The next deal I have is on Maybelline Cosmetics. They're on the deal of spend 15 get $5 extra care box back and it's a limit of 1 per week. I'm going to pick up the Maybelline lipstick priced at $7.99 and I'm also going to pick up the Maybelline Fit Me blush priced at $7.79. These 2 items are going to total $15.78. If you still have your $4 mystery offer from last week, it's extended, so I will use it with this deal. And we also have a $2 digital coupon that will apply to 1. For the second item, on Sunday we received a $3 off digital coupon that will attach to the second item. I also have a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT that will add to this deal. That will drop it down to $3.78 and I'll get $5 extra care box back, making these 2 items free and $1.22 money maker. This transaction worked out very well. The 2 coupons came off, the 3 off 15 applied, and the $4 mystery offer we got last week also applied, dropping it down to $3.78. I used $3 extra care box, paid just 78 cents plus tax out of pocket, and I got back $5 extra care box. The next deal I picked up is on L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner. They're on sale for 2 for $9, and when you buy 2, you get $3 extra care box back. What I did was pick up one of the shampoo and one of the conditioner. That's a total of $9. I have a $1.50 paper coupon from L'Oreal email list. I signed up with them long time ago and they emailed me this coupon. On Sunday, we all received a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will double dip with the $1.50 coupon I have. That will drop it down to $4.50 and I'll get $3 extra care box back, making these two items just $1.50 or 75 cents each. This transaction also worked out very well because I checked it out by itself. The $1.50 coupon double dipped with the 3 off 2 digital coupon, and I used $4 extra care box, paid just 50 cents out of pocket plus tax, and I got back my $3 extra care box. The next deal I have is on Gillette and Venus disposable razors. They're on sale for $6.99, and when you buy 2, you get $6 extra care box back. I'm going to pick up one of the Gillette 4-count razor at $6.99, and I also pick up one of the Venus 4-count razor at $6.99. These 2 disposable razors are going to total $13.98. Check your app because we have a $3 digital coupon for the Gillette, and we also have a $3 digital coupon for the Venus. After these 2 coupons apply, it will drop it down to $7.98 and I'll get $6 extra care box back, which will make these 2 razors cost just $1.98 or 99 cents each. This transaction went smoothly. The 2 coupons applied, that's the $3 for the Gillette and $3 for the Venus. I used $7 extra care box and paid 98 cents out of pocket, and I got $6 extra care box back. The next item I picked up is the toddler cleansing wipes. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, but I'm only picking up one, and I have a $2 off any baby wipes CRT that is attaching to these toddler cleansing wipes. That will drop it down to just 9 cents. I'll pay that plus tax, and the tax for this item is just 1 cent. That means I'm only paying 10 cents for this wipe. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching, and thank you all for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.